Hey everyone! If Notion is not working properly on your device, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the most common fixes step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Notion relies heavily on cloud syncing, so if your connection is weak or unstable, it may not load or update properly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Sometimes a simple reload can fix temporary glitches and get everything working again. Now try clearing your browser or app cache. Corrupted cache files can cause loading problems or slow performance, so clearing them can often solve the issue. Make sure Notion is updated to the latest version. Updates usually include bug fixes and performance improvements, so running an outdated version can sometimes cause problems. If you're using Notion in a browser, try disabling extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with how Notion works, so turning them off temporarily can help identify the issue. Also, check if Notion servers are down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side, and if there's a server outage, you may just need to wait until it's resolved. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Notion when it's not working and get everything running smoothly again.